When your hygienic kit is assembled, you are ready to use your Finesse breast pump. After centering the flanges on your breast, sit upright and start the pump by turning the suction dial. Turn the dial to the right to increase the suction to the highest comfortable level for you. Adjust suction as needed for comfort. Next, set the pump speed with the speed dial. Again, turn the dial to the right to increase to the highest speed. When you hold the flanges to your breasts, make sure your nipples are centered in the breast flange tunnel. Hold them firmly but gently to create an airtight seal around your breasts. Finesse with Amita's Comfort Flow technology creates a smooth, more consistent sensation, so pumping feels more comfortable, which means more milk. Flange fit is also important for comfort and milk flow. What determines breast flange size and your fit is the width of the flange opening. With a good flange fit, you should see a small space around your nipple as it moves freely in the tunnel during pumping. If the breast flange is too small, your nipple may rub along the tunnel's sides or move very little. If the flange is too large, too much of the areola may be drawn in, and it may be hard to get an airtight seal. For a good fit, Amita's custom fit flange system offers 7 different breast flange sizes, which adapt to all Amita breast pumps and kits. If your pump or kit includes more than one flange size, try each one to see which is most comfortable and produces the best milk flow. Breasts can change over time, so check your flange fit every few weeks. If you have small nipples and the flanges included with your pump or kit are too large, a reducing insert or FlexiShield may improve your comfort and milk flow. If the breast flanges included are too small, larger sizes are available. These larger sizes, called custom fit flanges, can be purchased separately. It may take a few minutes for your milk to start to flow out of the breast. When your milk begins to flow, this is known as a letdown or milk release. This is the most important part of successful pumping. During a breastfeeding, most mothers have 3 or 4 milk releases, even if they don't feel them. Once milk flows, turn the speed lower by turning the speed dial to the left to help drain your breasts. Keep your suction as high as is comfortable. When your milk release ends and your milk flow slows, try for another letdown by turning the speed dial to the right to the highest speed. Repeating these fast then slow speed settings several times during a pumping session is what we call multi-phase pumping, which mimics a baby's nursing pattern at the breast. Imagine your baby breastfeeding. After your baby latches deeply, baby sucks very quickly. Once your milk starts to flow, your little one changes to slow, deep draws or sucks. You will hear your baby gulping or swallowing. When your milk flow slows, your baby goes back to quickly suckling. This helps to stimulate another letdown. Your Amita Finesse pump with custom control for complete control of speed and suction helps to mimic this breastfeeding rhythm. To trigger a milk release, it may also help to gently massage your breasts or apply a warm compress. As you pump, tilt the collection kit down slightly so your milk flows into the bottle. Do not lean forward. Close your eyes, relax, and imagine your baby nursing at your breast. Dual pumping takes much less time than single pumping. When dual pumping, allow 10 to 15 minutes per session. If you single pump, switch breasts about every 5 to 7 minutes and allow about 20 to 30 minutes total per session. When you finish pumping, turn off the breast pump. Then remove the flanges from your breasts. If necessary, Break the suction by inserting a finger between the flange and your breast. When the suction is broken, remove the flange. Finally, unscrew the bottles and screw the locking caps into place. Follow the milk storage guidelines you're given.
It's well known that breastfeeding gives babies the best start in life and has many benefits for mom. At Lansino, we know that as natural as breastfeeding is, sometimes mom can use a little help. That's why we've spent over 25 years developing an innovative range of breastfeeding products by moms for moms to ensure breastfeeding success. Like the new Signature Pro Double Electric Breast Pump, which is the only pump with 3 customizable pumping styles designed for moms who need to pump regularly while maximizing their milk production and comfort, meaning there's always breast milk on hand whenever you're away from baby or when dad wants to enjoy a little bonding time too. The Signature Pro Double Electric Breast Pump comes with an LCD screen with timer to help mom keep track of time, and is compatible with the Lansino Simple Wishes hands-free pumping bra. The 3 pumping styles allow you to choose the style that fits your body's needs. Within each pumping style, there are 8 suction levels, putting you totally in control and ensuring it is customized for your comfort. The Signature Pro is simple to use. It enables you to mimic your baby's natural feeding pattern, making the process more comfortable and natural for you. The pump has a closed system, so milk can't back up into the tubing or the motor, making it hygienic and safer for baby and ensuring that you don't lose any of your pumped milk. It also has specially designed Comfort Fit flanges, which ensure a secure fit for ultimate suction and are gentle on the breasts. And when using the Signature Pro to express from both breasts simultaneously, you not only do it in half the time, but produce more milk too. The Signature Pro Double Electric Breast Pump from Lansino, the #1 brand in breastfeeding.
Medela understands that you want to provide what's best for your baby. As a mom, we know there are many things that need to be done, and we want to make it easier for you to reach your breast milk feeding goals. Introducing the new Medela Easy Expression Hands-Free Pumping Bustier with an improved design featuring adaptive stretch technology. This technology provides enhanced stretch and recovery to accommodate mom's changing breast size for every session throughout her pumping journey. The innovative design provides moms with consistent support, securely holding the breast shields in place so mom can pump hands-free with confidence.
Before the Medela Easy Expression, I had to sit in one spot, hold the breast shields and the bottles in place. Now, I'm able to use my tablet, check emails on my phone, even tend to my baby, all while pumping at the same time.
Simply hook, then use both hands to zip for a secure, no-slip fit. Knit from a breathable nylon and spandex fabric blend, the bustier makes you feel comfortable and secure during whatever activity you choose to perform while pumping.
I'm very satisfied with my experience with the Easy Expression. It's allowed me to make the most out of all the time I spend pumping. It was really comfortable. The fabric felt really nice against my skin, and the stretchiness allowed me to have a full range of motion.
The Easy Expression is compatible with most Medela breast pumps and is machine washable. Medela Easy Expression Hands-Free Pumping Bustier with adaptive stretch provides the secure fit and comfort you need to confidently multitask while pumping. Only you can provide what's best for your baby. We can help.
The breastfeeding bond between new moms and babies is important. Introducing the Nook Simply Natural Freeme Double Electric Breast Pump. This portable pump is concealable and remarkably quiet, offering moms privacy in public, and it fits in the palm of your hand. The pump has powerful suction and speed and can be worn under clothing for ultimate discretion. So there's no embarrassment, even in public areas. It has 3 memory features, 100 plus settings, an auto shut-off timer, and doesn't need to be plugged in while pumping. The Nook Simply Natural Freeme Double Electric Breast Pump. Powerful, portable, and discreet.